What happens to your body if you eat fennel seeds every day? Did you know that fennel is considered one of the oldest medicinal herbs in the world? Fennel has been known to have health benefits for a long time, especially in its native lands. Belonging to the Apiaceae family, the same as carrots, fennel is native to Asia, North America, and Europe. This versatile plant is entirely edible, including the green bulb, long stalks, seeds, and leaves. Fennel, with its rich history, has been used for various purposes across different cultures and eras. In the Middle Ages, it was believed to scare off evil spirits. Roman warriors chewed on fennel seeds, thinking it would strengthen their bodies, while in ancient Greece it was commonly used as a weight reduction aid. Each country had its unique use for fennel, leading to our broad understanding today of how and why to utilize it. Fennel, dating back centuries, is considered one of the oldest medicinal herbs worldwide. It is particularly popular in Asia, where it is commonly consumed to aid digestion and freshen breath. Fennel is a significant source of potassium, sodium, phosphorus, and calcium, all beneficial to health. Research has also suggested that fennel seeds might possess antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties. Discover now 7 powerful reasons why you should consume fennel seeds every day. Make sure to watch until the end, because there are some simple tips and recipes for adding more fennel seeds to your diet. 1. Regulates blood pressure. Fennel, as previously mentioned, is rich in potassium, a key mineral that helps maintain blood pressure within normal ranges. An inadequate intake of potassium can increase the risk of developing high blood pressure. Also, fennel contains other components like calcium and magnesium, all known to aid in decreasing blood pressure. Along with other foods containing dietary nitrates, fennel exhibits vasodilatory and vasoprotective properties, which can contribute to reduced blood pressure and enhanced heart protection. 2. Helps clean the blood of toxins. Fennel assists in detoxifying the blood and combating anemia, a common condition often caused by iron deficiency. High in vitamin C, fennel enhances the body's ability to absorb iron when consumed with iron-rich foods. Furthermore, its significant fiber content plays a role in reducing cholesterol levels, thereby decreasing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, fennel contains vitamins B6 and folate, which prevent the buildup of homocysteine, a harmful compound that can damage blood vessels and lead to heart complications. 3. Boosts digestive health. Fennel has been aiding digestive health for thousands of years, thanks to its anti-inflammatory components. Its high fiber content not only helps prevent constipation but also promotes regular bowel movements, crucial for a healthy digestive tract. Laboratory research suggests that fennel may positively affect digestive disorders, including inflammatory bowel disease. In a particular study, fennel seed extract was found to strengthen the intestinal epithelium, which is the protective outer layer of the intestines. These findings have led researchers to consider fennel as a potential complementary and alternative medicine therapy for IBD. Fennel seeds may not only enhance the flavor of your food, but also help in reducing appetite. In a study with 9 healthy women, it was found that participants who drank 8.5 ounces, 250 milliliters, of tea made with 2 grams of fennel seeds before lunch felt less hungry and consumed fewer calories during their meal, compared to those who had a placebo tea. 4. Improve sleep. Fennel seeds contain compounds that can help alleviate sleep issues, thanks to their calming properties. Rich in enithole and fenchone, these seeds are known for their muscle-relaxing properties. These components may help in reducing stress and anxiety, thereby promoting a more relaxed state that is conducive to improved sleep. Please note that the content of this video does not replace professional medical consultation. If you're experiencing significant issues with anxiety, insomnia, or other health concerns, it's crucial to consult a doctor. 5. Promotes bone health. Fennel contains components that are crucial in increasing and maintaining bone structure and strength. It is rich in essential compounds like phosphate and calcium, pivotal for the development and maintenance of strong bones. Furthermore, iron and zinc in fennel play a crucial role in the production and maturation of collagen, while manganese is necessary for bone matrix formation. Additionally, studies have shown that an insufficient intake of vitamin K, another nutrient found in fennel, is linked to an increased risk of bone fractures. Before we continue, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're enjoying the video. Be sure to turn on notifications too, so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. 6. Clears the skin from acne. Fresh fennel is a rich source of vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis, which forms the structural backbone of the skin. Vitamin C functions as an antioxidant, protecting the skin from damage caused by sun exposure, pollution, and smoke. Furthermore, the combination of vitamins in fennel improves skin cell function. This comprehensive approach helps reduce cell damage from environmental factors, leading to smoother, more supple, and clearer skin, effectively aiding in acne prevention and promoting a healthier complexion. Fennel's antiseptic properties act as a barrier against germs and bacteria, while its anti-inflammatory qualities help reduce acne-associated swelling. Compounds like limonene, anethole, and myrcene, all found in fennel, are potent in treating acne. Additionally, fennel serves as a gentle yet effective natural exfoliator, removing dead skin cells. Within Ayurvedic practices, fennel seeds are key ingredients in treatments targeting cellulite, ensuring hydrated and smooth skin. The effectiveness of fennel seeds in skincare, especially in aiding the elimination of fat and toxins from tissues, is significant. For those using a fennel scrub as part of their cellulite treatment, adding a fennel tea infusion to their diet can enhance the benefits by stimulating internal metabolism. 7. May reduce the risk of cancer. Fennel's diverse range of potent plant compounds may play a role in guarding against chronic diseases, particularly certain types of cancers. Anethole, a primary active compound in fennel seeds, has shown anticancer properties in research, particularly in destroying breast cancer cells and hindering the proliferation of both breast and liver cancer cells. While these studies are still in the laboratory phase, their initial findings offer promising insights into fennel's potential cancer-reducing effects. In specific test tube studies, anethole, a component of fennel, has been shown to suppress cell growth and trigger apoptosis, programmed cell death, in human breast cancer cells. Additionally, fennel extract has demonstrated the ability to inhibit the spread of human breast cancer cells and induce their death. Animal studies also suggest that fennel seed extract may offer protective effects against breast and liver cancer. While there haven't been sufficient human studies to validate these findings or to recommend fennel as an alternative cancer treatment, the existing results are indeed promising. Selenium, another cancer-fighting component found in fennel, further enhances its potential health benefits. Unique among many fruits and vegetables for its selenium content, fennel contributes to liver enzyme function, aids in detoxifying certain cancer-causing compounds, and has properties that prevent inflammation and may reduce tumor growth rates. What factors contribute to the health benefits of fennel seeds? Fennel is rich in nutrients and components that improve your health. Its antioxidants help especially with eyesight, glaucoma, reduce inflammation, and can also prevent cancer and heart disease. The essential oil derived from fennel has been found to contain over 87 volatile compounds, including notable polyphenol antioxidants like rosmarinic acid, chlorogenic acid, quercetin, and apigenin. These antioxidants possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties, significantly impacting overall health and potentially reducing the risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, obesity, cancer, neurological diseases, and type 2 diabetes. In addition to these benefits, fennel seeds are known to contain more than 28 identified compounds, such as anethole, fenchone, methylchavicol, and limonene, each contributing to its health-promoting properties. How can fennel seeds be used? Fennel is a versatile ingredient widely used in both French and Italian cuisines. Different parts of the fennel plant, including its seeds and leaves, can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. When selecting fennel bulbs, opt for those that are firm, unblemished, and white or pale green in color, with green stalks and straight leaves. Store dried fennel seeds in an airtight container in a cool, dry area. As a vegetable, fennel can be eaten raw or cooked and is a flavorful addition to salads, stews, soups, and can be grilled alongside fish or chicken. Supplements and capsules. For individuals looking for a more concentrated intake, fennel seed supplements or capsules are commercially available. These capsules are often filled with powdered fennel seeds, capturing its essence without the need for preparation. Fennel seeds can also be consumed as a tea, where the seeds are steeped in hot water to produce what is commonly referred to as fennel seeds tea. How to prepare fennel tea? Making tea from fennel seeds is a simple and time-efficient task, and it can be enjoyed daily for optimal effects. Although fennel tea might not be your usual preference for a warm beverage on a chilly day, its potent health benefits, supported by research and nutritionists, might persuade you to give it a try. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon freshly crushed fennel seeds, 1 cup boiling water. Optional: honey or sugar for sweetening. Preparation: an easy method to prepare fennel tea is by adding 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds to a cup of boiling water. Allow it to steep for 10 minutes. Strain the water and drink it immediately. For best results, consume this infusion regularly on an empty stomach. How much fennel should be consumed? Fennel seeds are generally safe to consume in moderation, though it's important to be aware that they contain chemicals that may not be safe in large quantities. This is particularly true for oils and supplements derived from fennel. Currently, there is no standardized dosage recommendation for fennel, mainly due to insufficient scientific evidence supporting its efficacy for any specific health condition. Dosages used in human, animal, and laboratory studies have varied widely, ranging from as low as 30 milligrams per kilogram to as high as 200 milligrams per kilogram. Typically, consuming a teaspoon of fennel seeds daily is unlikely to lead to any significant complications or reactions. What are the potential side effects of fennel seeds? The FDA, Food and Drug Administration, considers fennel to be generally safe, but it can have a few side effects if used excessively as a supplement. These side effects include nausea, vomiting, stomach cramps, and photosensitivity. In conclusion, it's always advisable to consult with your doctor before beginning regular consumption of fennel seeds, especially during pregnancy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider sharing this information with your loved ones so they also will know all the fennel seeds benefits. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for additional insights into the powerful world of natural health remedies and much more. Also, hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. For more insights on health and nutrition, you might also find additional interesting videos popping up on your screen right now. Feel free to click on any of them or watch both to continue your knowledge journey with our community. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.